Hi, Lori Maya, and we're back. We are working on the Star Spangled Beauty ladder quilt from Kimberbell. And so this is going to be our second class together. And we are going to be doing America the Beautiful, which is our next block. So let's get started. And I'm going to pull up the screen, everything that we need to do that. We can get control of the mouse here. There we go. So I make sure I'm sharing my screen with you. There we go. So I will also pull up. So we are doing America the Beautiful. And so we need to get our fabric for that. So you should go into your folder here of your designs. And you should look for America the Beautiful. And I'm going to take that off my So here we go. So all we have in here is one piece of fabric. So this looks like it's going to be a straight embroidery design as well. So we should have our fabric. And we should load our files. So we need KDQ 407. We're doing block by block quilting. We need light mesh cutaway stabilizer, and we should have a fusible backing on the back of this. So I want everybody to make sure they cut a piece of fusible backing and get that on there. Right now you can see on my screen that I have loaded the background quilting design. Let's get it to side by side. There we go. And now what I'm going to do is add into it the design file. And the design file, I have to go File, Insert on my screen to find it. And we want America the Beautiful. And our instructions always already say to center it in the hoop, so I've got that centered. Now I'm going to send that over to my computer. And you can do this too on your machine off your USB stick, right? And so we need to make sure we have light mesh cutaway in our hoop and fusible backing. And then we're going to use that that light blue color that we were using in the one earlier. In this one, it's that same light blue color. So let's just go back and look. So this is like a cloud color it says that we should be using. So a pale blue. Okay, so let's go right there and let's get everything loaded to our machines. Okay, so I've got my piece, my one piece. I have my fusible backing on it, so it makes it nice and sturdy piece of fabric. And then if I move this over to see Hugh, then Hugh is showing us then that, Hugh, closer here. Hugh, what are you doing? I've attached my hoop. And we've got 1 through 5 for quilting, and then we've got the design. So the first thing we're going to do with Hugh is we are going to stitch we're doing the block by block quilting. Let's get those instructions up again. A little bigger. So again, we're repeating what we did. So right now we're stitching the batting placement line right here. And we have a much bigger hoop this time. Okay, now wants us to put our batting down. We make sure we cover all the lines. Let's get that batting down. Here we go. And if you recall from our first block, we're going to go around twice. Stack it down. And I do have in my bobbin just white bobbin thread. There we go. So now we're going to trim the batting away close to our stitch line, just like we did the last one. Again, right now we're just doing some simple straight embroidery blocks just to get going. If you need to take the hoop out of the machine, you can do so. You can also put it into trim mode. This is a fairly big block, so it's quite easy to trim all around it. All right, I'm just gonna pull my thread tail a little bit because I clipped it a little close. All right, now I'm going to do the fabric placement line. So I'm in the square here. Okay, now we're going to place our fabric right side up, and we are going to cover that whole block. And we're going to stitch now the basting stitch around it. Look how nice and flat that is. We've got nice backing on it. Looks good. And now step 5 is to stitch the background quilting. So I have my blue thread in there already. So here we go. I'm going to stitch that. This only takes about 3 minutes to do that. While I'm running. On screen. Okay, see there's a cobalt blue as well here. So that's a little bit of a different blue. And that's what we're doing. We've got the we should have the green, because that's the little stars. We should have the cobalt blue and then the navy. All right, so make sure you have 3 different blues. Right now we're doing the quilting. We're over here still, and then we're moving over here. So line up your thread colors. fun print. You can see all the stars, how pretty that is. Okay, so I'm gonna change now to my darker green one, which we used before. And we're gonna change to that. And I always keep the same threads throughout the entire project. You don't have to do that, but it makes it cohesive. And we're gonna stitch number one. Here we go. That says it's about 4 minutes to stitch. Everybody go ahead and get that going. Okay, our little stars are almost done. There we go. Now we're gonna switch to the next blue. I'm gonna use that bright blue that I used before. I think that'll be really fun for the stars. The stars will stand out. That also says that's gonna take about 4 minutes. Put that stitch out. Okay, we finished these. Now it's time to stitch America the Beautiful. Let's get that going. I'm changing now to a darker blue color. We want that to stand out beautifully. You could do red if you wanted to. You know, this is your block, whatever color you like. I'm going to stick with the blue, who is my favorite color. And let's see how long this is going to take to stitch up. A little while. I'm going to go for 30 minutes. So I'm going to put it on hold and come back to you in just a little bit. Okay, so now you see we've got our block completed. We're going to take it out of the hoop. Let's get that undone and out. Guess I put mine on really tight. So let's move over to the cutting station. And now this block, we need to trim to 6.5 by 8.5. So let's pull this down closer. 6.5 by 8.5. So I'm going to take my 6.5 by 8.5 pop ruler again, like we did in the last ones, and I'm going to line it up all along the outline edges because they're the perfect markings for us. And now we're going to cut around 4 sides. I'm going to turn it. Turn it. Last one. There you go. One more corner here. It's a thread. And there you see our next, our second block is done. So that's our second block. And again, I'll keep moving. So follow along. I will create another session and I will see you again. So this is Lori Matt signing off. See you later.